Welcome everybody, my name is Lisa and today on Pressure Crisp we're going to be doing a frozen stuffed burger in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Yes, I said frozen. We made stuffed burgers the other week. It's in the freezer. We're going to take it directly from the freezer and cook it on the grill. So without further ado, come on over and let's get started. Grill grate today. You want to make sure your roasting pan is in, the grill grate is in, as well as the splatter shield. Go ahead and lower the lid. We're going to turn it on. We're going to hit grill and we're going to take it down to medium, which is 450 degrees, and hit start. Okay, so the last stuffed burger is a stuffed burger and I actually put Havarti on it. So I know there's Havarti cheese inside this burger. Frozen solid. And that is a big burger. So my aunt and I are going to actually share this one. And I am going to put some salt, pepper, and some garlic on it. Just going to put a little bit of garlic. We're going to do both sides because I tend not to flip these once they're in the grill. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Beautiful. That's all we're going to do. Ninja Foodi Grill is preheated. Open it up. We're going to take that burger. And that's what we like to hear. Go ahead and lower the lid. Alright, for the time, I am going to up this to like 20 minutes. It may take 20 minutes or 25 minutes. This is it's a big burger. It's a stuffed burger, so it's going to take time. And yes, I'm still at my aunt's house in Vegas, so she wants it well done. Almost forgot to whip up a little hamburger sauce. Almost forgot. So what I like to do, and we're only having the one burger, so I don't want to make too much so there's extra. We're going to take like that much mayo, which is probably like a tablespoon of mayo. We're going to take some yellow mustard, give it a shake so you don't get all that water coming out. Maybe like a half a teaspoon of yellow mustard and ketchup. Whoops. It's probably like a half a tablespoon to a tablespoon. Let's see what it looks like. Now we're just going to whisk this together. And according to the color, we may need a little bit more ketchup. But let's just keep mixing. Taste test. There we go. Just a bit more ketchup. And you can make this any way you want. You want it stronger for mustard. I like a little bit more ketchup taste for a burger. And that's it. That's all we need. That's our burger sauce for this terrific burger. I did also want to go over the bun. Buns are very important. People don't realize how important they are to burgers, hamburgers, actually any type of sandwich. We are using the final brioche bun that I had in the freezer. I just took this out. It's a bit frozen, but it's defrosting pretty quick. And we're just going to slightly warm this up after the burger gets done. And the burger's been cooking the burger has been cooking for probably like 8 minutes. Let's go over and take a look at it. I totally forgot about checking the burger. I was talking to my aunt. There's about 9 minutes and 25 seconds left. This looks great. I know it's not done by looking at it, so we are going to lower the lid. There's about 4 minutes left. Let's open the lid. I am going to do a quick temp. The cheese is starting to ooze out just a bit. Alright, according to this, we are at 89-90 degrees. We have quite a ways to go before this is done. So I am going to go ahead and tack on let's tack on 10 minutes, but I don't think it's going to take that long, but I still want to do that. So we're going to tack on 10 minutes. We're going to up it to 14 because there's like 4 minutes left. So now we're up to, that would bring cooking the burger up to 30 minutes. But we're going to check this hamburger in it's not a hamburger. We're going to check this stuffed cheeseburger in 5 minutes. All right, we have 8 minutes left. Oh, look at this. Let's see here. Yeah, this is done. 150, hold on, wait a minute. 154. We're going to say this burger is done because it's going to take it's going to increase in temperature as it sits. Wow. This burger really, really shrunk. And it's smoking, so you can see the smoke. When the grease falls off of it, it does smoke a bit. And we're going to put You're gonna think this is odd, but we're gonna go ahead and put cheddar on this lovely burger. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and close the lid, and I'm just gonna go ahead and now you have two options here. You can continue to cook the burger or just shut the heat off. A lot of times what I do is I just shut the heat off. But before that, I almost forgot, you do have to put the bun in. We got to warm that bun. So I'm just going to go ahead and shut the heat off in this case. The burger's done. I'm going to go ahead and take that bun out. I'm going to take some of that lovely burger sauce. Place it all over the bun. Just like that. We're going to take this beautiful burger. Look at that. Oh yeah. Place that right on there. Ow! Woo! Aunt Ruthie's. Did you hear my aunt over there laughing because if I burnt myself? Ah! What kind of nonsense is that?
And I was just picturing that on the video.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, aunts. Alright, that's done. Let's push this out of the way. Alright. I'm going to hold it up close so you guys can see this burger. There it is right there. Look at that gooey cheese. And we have a piece hanging. Here you go.
Thank you.
Taste test time. Here's a napkin because you're going to need it. What are you looking for?
Nothing.
She's making me crazy, people.
I am absolutely exhausted because I had a heavy shopping trip this morning. And
She had a heavy shopping trip, all right. All right. This is a stuffed burger with Havarti and
oh
we put
my
cheddar,
God, it looks beautiful. Oh,
and the cheese
look
is
at it.
oozed out. Go ahead,
I know.
Did you eat the burger part?
Smells good too.
Now, I know it's not really a good comparison because we don't have two burgers in front of you. But how does that frozen burger compare to a fresh burger?
I think it tastes the same, truthfully. I wouldn't know the difference.
You don't notice that it's harder or anything?
I wouldn't know the difference.
Okay. All right, so you guys have it from her. So is the burger tasty?
Very good. Very good.
Okay. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. We're going to have, unfortunately my time here in Vegas is coming to an end, but I am making a few more videos before I go so you can see my lovely aunt while I'm heading back to New York. Thanks everybody. Ugh.
Bye.